Hey everyone, today we're going to show you our new Samsung 65-inch TV. We've been waiting for years to get this big screen TV for our living room, and finally today we're going to put this one up. This is the massive 65-inch Samsung Neo QLED QN85D TV. The screen is huge. It comes with this base, but since we're going to hang ours up on the wall, we won't be needing this. And by the way, we got this specific TV because of its 4K resolution, enhanced bright picture quality, and wide viewing angle. It's also a smart TV, so we can stream all the content we want using Amazon Prime, Netflix, and other streaming services. It even connects to your network so you can access your photos and other smart home technology. So here we're just installing the brackets, just a few screws, and then we'll be ready to anchor this onto the wall. Since the TV is so big, make sure you have another person to help you if you're going to put yours up on the wall too. And here it is. We have the TV hung up above the fireplace, fitting perfectly between our built-ins. Setup was a total breeze. Everything is pretty much step by step. We first connected the TV to our Wi-Fi, and now we're getting the latest update. It only took a few minutes to get it all set up, and once again, here's the final look. All done and set up in our living room. The 65 inches totally changes the whole vibe of our room. We cannot wait to binge watch everything on this massive TV.